Hello everyone, it's been a while since I've done a garden update. It's March 24th, Palm Sunday. I had some leftover gravel, so I made some channels around the garden. Also built this tool shed. Moved the chicken coop to the back of my property. Got some of the perennial flowers coming up here. This area here is a little bit of a cover crop. I'll plant the squash and cucumbers there. Columbines are looking good. Shasta daisies here. Echinacea here. Little herb garden. Asparagus. Wait till next year to start harvesting that. All the fall planted garlic is coming up nicely. And the fall planted shallots, maybe a couple of them have died. I planted onions the earliest I ever have in late February. Got red candy and yellow candy onions. That's last year's straw. That was where the tomatoes and peppers were. This little area a few days ago, I direct seeded some brassicas. And here's some of my starts. Primero cabbage and farro cabbage. Here we got some lettuces. Planted them also in late February. They've been slow going, but they've survived. Got some radishes back here. Got one row of carrots that I'll have to thin soon. They took a few weeks. Planted them in late February and they took about 3 weeks to pop up. With new Kuroda carrots from Baker Creek. Then this was my winter rye cover crop that I last week covered with compost, mushroom compost from the local greenhouse. And I'll just start chopping away at this grass. It's the winter rye that's poking through before I plant my tomatoes and peppers in a couple weeks. Built this shed over the winter. Cost me about $2,000 in material. That's including this lean-to roof off the side.